It depends at which level we all are living. Some of us live at the body level. Others live at our mind level, thinking level. Others live at our emotional level. Others live at the spiritual level. But the orientation, where does it come from? It comes from where we are centered, whether we are centered on God or whether we are centered on self. Now, the evil one always likes us to be centered on self. And when we are centered on self, he has a good opportunity to dupe us. He will tell us lies. And how do we know that? It comes in our thinking. Now, why am I telling you this? You see, we do certain things thinking that that is right and it is good. It is all based on love, but it can be all self-centered. And what does it do afterwards? It leads to guilt.